Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. Today I'm showing you a unique idea of making this berry basket bottle art which I made using homemade cold porcelain clay. You can decorate it in your kitchen as well. So let's begin making it. I started by taking a glass bottle and I'm making homemade gesso by mixing talcum powder with glue and with some drops of water and some drops of white color. I want to give gesso a light pink color, so mixing some drops of red and mixing it properly, and our homemade light pink gesso is ready to cover glass bottle. If you are here for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notification for more upcoming videos. It not only give a base to the clay work but also give a beautiful texture to the bottle. Now taking some drops of red color and giving some shade to the bottle and let it dry completely. To make fruit basket, I am using a jute sack and cutting a piece out of it and sticking this piece with the help of glue gun. I am making handle of the basket by using a jute rope and twisting it and sticking with the glue gun. To give a 3D effect to the basket, I am filling some cotton inside it. For this project, I am using my colored homemade cold porcelain clay as we are creating miniature berries. First creating strawberry, using green colored clay to make trash of the fruit. You can also use flower mold for making trash. Giving some texture using a tool and then sticking it to the strawberry, and this completes our strawberry. I make more of them using same method and then sticking it to our basket. For making stem, I am using a thin wire and then sticking clay around it using white glue. And inserting this into the strawberry. I make more of them using same technique. Now making some leaves. Now using red clay to make some raspberries and rolling small balls of it and sticking these small balls to the bigger one. Making some blueberry using blue colored clay and rolling a ball of it and giving some texture using a tool. In the similar way, I also make some cherries using this dark magenta colored clay. Also giving stem to some cherries. Also making some mulberries using blue colored clay. Later I give them a black shade using acrylic color. Now it's time to assemble them in the basket. I'm randomly placing all the elements and sticking them using white glue. For decorating upper portion of bottle, I am sticking this wired stem using white glue and then sticking the elements. After arranging all the elements, I am giving them some shades, like giving light beige color to the strawberries, black color to the mulberry, and giving some light green shade to the leaves. And finally finishing it with a bow. I really enjoy making it, as it is easy to make and turned out to be so cute. I hope you guys also love it. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notification for more such creative videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.